got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas day 14. This morning I'm getting ready to run into, actually I'm not running in nowhere. I'm getting ready to run through this drive-thru and get me a Starbucks. I was running just like a tad bit late this morning. So I ended up fixing me a Caesar salad, some grapes, and grabbing a little mandarin orange, and then I also grabbed some strawberries for my lunch and like some fruit snacks and some little chips. But anyways, I'm now here at Starbucks to grab me something to drink and some breakfast because I did not grab anything before I left. I just did not have time. So I was worried about trying to get my coworker's shirt done. She asked me to make a shirt for my fourth grade coworker, who clearly is just so like, oh, he's like the Grinch. He's like a Debbie Downer. He doesn't say much. But anyways, I was doing all that, and now I'm gonna give me some something hot because it's cold, and then I'm going to get ready to go to work, and I'll show you guys into the day of my life working by myself.
Oatmeal?
Yes.
You can get
So yeah, there's my order. I got me a sugar plum cheese Danish, one hot drink, one cold drink for later, and then got Sky cake pop this morning. No, she's not gonna eat it right away. But anyways, yeah, so I'm working by myself today, so I'm like, Lord, I need to make sure I have everything I need with me working by myself. So my coworker is like, family is sick, so therefore she took the day off. Anyway, she took the day off, and there's like a shortage of antibiotics for, you know, kids who have like ear infections and stuff like that right now here. So it's gonna be all right. But anyways, let's get ready to go to work. Okay, so here's the sugar plum cream cheese Danish, or cheese Danish, I should say. And then we got the whatever the smallest, I guess that's what, venti. Got a venti toasted white mocha, and then I got the iced brown sugar latte.
it's
pretty pretty.
It's so pretty.
If it would.
One thing I like about this meal.
All right, so we're gonna be reading Gingerbread Girl. We'll do a compare and contrast. Here's the book right here. So this morning has kind of been like, oh gosh, but hopefully by the end of the day, things will go just like a little bit better. With me being by myself today, it just seems like the kiddos are like out of whack right now. So they're up at lunch. I'm taking like a little 15-minute break before they get ready to come back down. And I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy my little Starbucks. So of course, sometimes I'm sitting here trying to plan out my Vlogmas days while I have a break from the kiddos, and so that is what I'm doing right now. I have about 5 more minutes until I have to get them, and then we'll be doing math and then going to specials. After specials, we have snack, and then we will have our purposeful play, which is where they get to play in here, and then we'll get ready to go home. Cleaning up is not easy in this classroom.
No snitching.
It's time for them to go home. Sky are gonna get ready to head over to Trader Joe's to just do some looking and see if we see anything we want. So let's go see what type of Christmas treats they have in there. And then we'll show you guys our haul and what we get if we do find anything in there. If we don't, we'll keep this vlog rolling, and y'all just stay tuned. So we're on our way over to Trader Joe's right now. We're gonna see what we see really quickly, And then we'll show you guys what we got once we get in the house, to be able to sit down and show you all what we got. Definitely only been in Trader Joe's once, and when we did go in, we didn't find what we were looking for then, so we're gonna try it again. So they also have like seasonal things such as like fall and Christmas, but right now it is the Christmas stuff, and so hopefully it's not too crowded in here. It's only gonna take us like another 3 minutes to get there, and then I need to be back across town in order to pick my son up off the bus. And it is really chilly out here and calling for rain and snow overnight, so let's just make the best of it. I do need to. I'm gonna show her. Maybe she'll. They're only 49 cents, and then we got the fruit button. The fruit button. You don't want to try?
I also got some non-alcoholic.
I don't
You do want the popcorn?
Yeah.
All right, grab a bag from right there. All right, so we're back in the car. Sky was able to find what it is she was looking for, and a little more than that. So we'll show you guys our haul once we get to the house. All right, so we're home from Trader Joe's. This is the bags for the Christmas holiday. Inside, I'm gonna let Sky show you guys what we got. Hopefully she knows exactly what it is.
Okay, so this is some seaweed that I got. Then I got some popcorn.
So this popcorn is maple flavored with sea salt. It's kettle popcorn. This was what the gentleman was letting us try, along with some sparkling juice.
Okay, so and then I got this like rice cake with like
So this
sea
is brown
salt.
rice, lightly
sea
salted.
salt.
Okay.
Then we got like this like
So this is
pizza
ready to bake dough, where we'll just have to cut it up, and this is only like $3.99. We got 2 of these.
And then we got some moon cookies.
So half moon cookies that are handcrafted cookies with dark fudge and white icing.
Those are yummy.
They are yummy. We tried those yesterday when picking Cam up from school.
And then we got this like salami.
Yes, so this is uncured applewood smoked salami. I want to try this myself because I love anything applewood flavored.
So and then I got some dried strawberries because I love dried strawberries. Then next I got this chocolate. I got this chocolate pack of like these little chocolate mini things. Here's like a ugly sweater and like a gingerbread man and a donut. Then we got some fruit dots.
And we got a lot of each one. We just wanted to show you guys really quickly the flavors. So Sky, this one is
Mango.
mango,
And this one's strawberry.
strawberry,
Mango.
and the last
this
one is
grape.
mango.
Mango.
We got quite a few of each of these. These are only 69 or 59 cents each. So we did grab a lot because the last time that we went looking for these, they did not have them.
So and then we got these cookies.
So these are Trader Joe's chocolate enrobed cookie sandwich cookies.
Sandwich cookies. So and then we got these. Oh yeah.
So these are Fiji apple slices. They're freeze dried. We bought these for Mimi to try because she likes Fiji apples.
And then we got these noodles.
This is miso ramen soup. We bought this for Dad. Anything else in there other than those buttons? Okay. And here's our second ready to bake dough that you easily can just cut up and put the pizza sauce on.
And then next I got this hot cocoa bomb spoon with marshmallows and chocolate.
So it has double chocolate and marshmallows, and it's a spoon. This was only 99 cents.
And then we got these like peanut butter.
But this is cookie butter spread. So we heard about this yesterday from Cam's school, and they said to try this. So I'm gonna give this a try.
Yeah.
So it's cookie butter. And honestly, what else is left in here is really just the fruit buttons. I told you we got so many of them.
Yeah.
That we just picked up, and
We
we
just
wanted
got the
to
whole thing.
just wanted to get them. So they do expire January 8th, 2024, which means that we have like literally a whole nother year to eat these, which is a good thing. They last a year. So thanks guys so much for joining us to go over to Trader Joe's to see what we see. So it looks like we got quite a few different things, and we're gonna end it here. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this video of us go to Trader Joe's really quickly to see what we seen and what we wanted to get. But y'all, it's time to get ready to do her hair. I had to put it like this today because she had Genius Hour and they rode bikes, and you know, with hairstyles certain ways you can't, you know, put the helmet on. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready to do this hair, get ready to get a vlog edited or two and up and going, and I got a couple dishes to wash. But anyways, yeah, join us for Vlogmas Day 15.